Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust display size in Google Pixel 7a. So this is very simple tutorial. Just swipe up the screen for getting menu and go to settings. You can see here, open that. Then open display and touch option. Okay. Then you can see option of display size and text. Open that. You cannot see, then just swipe up the screen for getting that option. So open it. Now you can see there is two uh, control bar is here. You can simply just drag to left side for adjusting display size for small, and just uh, swipe right side to getting bigger display. So in this way, you can simply adjust your display size in Google Pixel 7a. Actually, it is almost controlling the text size and icon size and all of the functions in Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.